approximately 6 foot.
Who is it, Janet?
I don't know. He wouldn't say, but he insisted on talking to you.
Hello?
You don't learn, do you?
Who is it?
In my instructions, I told you I don't want anyone to follow the cab. One more fuck up and the price is going up to 10 million. You got 30 seconds to save your FBI agents. Otherwise, they're gonna be barbecued.
Janet, get Peterson immediately. This is Glenn Waterman and it's emergency. Those two agents watching the cab, get them out of the car immediately. There's a bomb in it, it's set to go off any second.
This is an emergency. This is an emergency. Get out of your car immediately. Get away from your car. There is a bomb in it. This is an emergency. Get out of your car. Get away from your car. There is a bomb in it. Get out of your car immediately. Stay away from your car. There is a bomb in your car. Repeat, there is a bomb in your car.